Now let's talk about how you can post Facebook Reels on the iPad, and let's get into it. So at first, make sure that you have the Reels ready in your gallery as a finished video. Then ensure that you are running the latest version of Facebook by going into the App Store, then search by looking up the Facebook, and then ensuring that you update the latest version if you have an update available. But once you do, you can go ahead and open up the app and make sure you are signed in, of course, but then just find the story creation page. I mean, basically any kind of creation page. So you need to tap on the plus button like that. So just click on this and it asks you what exactly you want to create, as I said. So it might be a story, reel, live post, note, and more. So you just want to click on reel and it should open up the gallery of your device. So you just need to find the actual video which you want to upload to the reel section, adjust some things like perhaps the audio, effects, text, whatever it might be, but just click on the next. Then you need to go through the regular process of typing in the description and, like location, groups, or whatever that is. And then you will be able to confirm it and upload your video to Facebook Reels. So I hope it makes sense. I would really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later.